Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today as you can see we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in the bag. I see Joy Sunday kits. That's always a good sign. Get them out of there. Get the crinkling done. Alright. These kits come from the GBFKE store, and if they have any specials, any discount codes, or if I have any, they'll be right here and in the description box below. So let's just take the first kit right off the top here, get everything out of our freeway. And all these kits are under $10. So that's a good thing. All right. Let me see what we got going here. This looks like an 11 count, and it is. It is 33 by 27, and it goes along with the little raspberry hut, and we had a carrot one. So yeah, I wanted the orange hut. I don't know what that says. If you do, comment below. But it's supposed to be called the orange hut. And it's got snow and ice and everything. But it looks like it has minimal back stitching, and it's pretty straight lined back stitching in it. So yeah, and this kit was $5.88. Let's see here. It is 103 stitches wide by 92 stitches high. And we have a total of 34 colors. It has full stitch, French knot, and back stitch. There's no half cross stitch in this. Cool. And we do have 310 black. We have 606 red. And 900 red. I think we're getting more into a brick red. 918. We'll look at all those when we get there. They're using 3865 for the white. And I don't see anything else that I know of. So you have two French knots. So one of them is for the little snow flurries. Might be both the snow flurries. You know what I mean? Where it's on the orange, it's white. And then up here in the sky, it's kind of a palish blue. And this is kind of a paper pattern. It's not that slick stuff, and it's all on one page. I thought there was more, but very big, nice, easy to see. And then you flip it upside down, and here's the bottom of the pattern. It is a partial. The top key goes to the paper pattern, bottom goes to the canvas. And let's look at all these gorgeous colors. It does come on a good thread card. Get that out of the way. And two needles. We get them separated. So we got blues and oranges and whites. That says 3756, and this is 3865. There is no B5200. I just wanted to make sure. Look at that blue. Isn't that gorgeous? There's your 310 black. But over here we have nice vivid reds, reddish oranges, yellows, more blues, some green. Just beautiful colors. Gorgeous. Even more blues over here. There's that 606. It's more of an orangish red than a red. So that'll look really good for the orange part of it as well. So, very nice. Let's take a look at the canvas. I almost dropped it. And since it's 11 count, we're going to be using 3 strands of thread. These pins are just keep falling down, but very nicely printed, and the back stitching is really going to make it, but very nicely done. Easy to see symbols. It does not look really confettied at all. There's just no confetti. And let's see what it is. 34 centimeters or 13¼ inches by 28 centimeters or 11 inches. Actual is 8.5 inches or 21.5 centimeters by 9.5 inches, or just a tad over 24 centimeters. So nice size kit, very easy to do with 11 count. This will go really fast. Nice big areas. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Let's take a look at this next one. This next kit was $4.70. It is a partial as well. I just thought it was cute and whimsical. Pull this out. This one is a 14 count. I don't know that I said that. It's called the Forget Me Not Girl. Isn't she cute? She got blue eyes and blue flowers in her hair and blue shoes. She's just all decked out in blue. And you know that's my favorite color of all time. And there is some back stitching in this. But like I said, it's not too huge. It's going to be a little half cross stitch right underneath her shoe, like where her feet are. I'm not sure about what's going on in her hair, but we'll get there. We'll get there. Nope, it's not half cross stitch. Just the half cross stitch is right down here under her shoes. Let's take a look at the colors. We have 2 sets of symbols. Top one goes to the paper pattern. Bottom goes to the canvas. You have a total of 31 colors. 31 colors in full stitch, 2 in half stitch, 3 in French knots, and 6 in back stitch. It is 83 by 106. The pattern's all on one page, so you're going to have to go around these flowers in 2 different colors and in the center, and so it'll bring out the pattern. But yeah, that half cross stitch is only down here, and there is a French knot in each one of those flowers. You could exchange those for beads if you wanted to, and there's maybe, let me look, green, blue, green and blue. Oh, maybe not. Those are not circles, those are squares. I lied. I'm sorry. So the French knots are down here. There is some in her eye. That's 2. But I'm not seeing. Green, blue, and yellow. Green, blue, and yellow. Unless those are supposed to be French knots. But they look like squares. That is so weird. Green, T, and W. Green, T, and W. I have no idea. I do see these little 9s that are going down her dress, but unless they're supposed to be up in here, and there's just a couple in her eyes that I see. So, very nice. Let's take a look at the threads. It comes on a regular thread card this time, and it does have 2 needles. Let me get them separated. Maybe. So, over here, oh, I didn't tell you what they were. So, they're using B5200 for the white. They also have 3865. And there is 310 black. Not seeing any other colors that I know of, that I can think of. So they have a couple shades of whitish, off-white. Well, if I can get it undone. They've been all mushed together. They don't want to come out. So there's the other shades of white. This one is a kind of a pale as you can even go. Gray. With beautiful blues. Kind of a yellow-orange. We got gorgeous blues over here. Some green. Some brown. There's your 310 black. So very nice. I do like all the blue. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Let's take a look at the canvas. Like I said, it's not too big. And it kind of looks like a blob because you're going to have all that back stitching, you know. But it's a round thing, so it's not so horribly bad. And there's all the other information because everything else runs all the way around. It's kind of small, but it's a good thing you have it written down on the paper pattern. You can see the symbol, but the DMC numbers are kind of blurred. So down here it's not so bad, but when you get on the sides, yeah. It is what it is, but at least you have another copy of it. Okay, it is 7 3/4 inches or 19.5 centimeters by 26.5 centimeters or almost 10.5 inches. The actual picture size is a little over 7.5 inches or a little under 19.5 centimeters by 6 inches or 15 centimeters. So not too big. You don't have to do the background. So yeah, I just thought it was cute and whimsical, and I like the blue flowers. And it doesn't look confettied at all. You know, you just have rivers of the same colors to make all those flowers. And down here, they're little rivers. So not too bad at all. Very cute. All right. The next one is 27 by 27. $5.88, and I think this one's going to be full coverage. I think. We'll see. It's kind of shaping it that way. I can get it out. Holy cow. And it is these two beautiful bluebirds in winter. Isn't that gorgeous? I just, again, love the blue. And they're out in the snow. So you're going to have half cross stitch in the background. Some full, you know, to kind of fill in the branches. But the whole thing is covered-ish. We'll see here in a minute. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Going to have some back stitching, so part of it's all on one page. Part of it's here, and the rest of it is right here. We have a total of 25 colors. You have 21 colors in full stitch. You have 6 in half cross stitch and 2 in back stitch. We have 310 black, we have 321 red, which is what I call Christmas red. No 823. We have 820, which is a dark, like a navy blue. And they're using B5200 for the white. And they also have that 3770, which I call a butter color. I think I can see it now. It's right there. But we will undo this. It does come on a regular thread card with 2 needles. There's that 823. This is 321. What's the other? 666? No, 349, which is this one. And that one is Christmas red. Beautiful purple there. Lots of blue and white, or off-white-ish. Kind of an orange because they're complementary colors. And there's, I don't know if you can tell that, but these colors right here, this is kind of palest gray, kind of a grayish brown, and then a tan. Beautiful, beautiful blues in this. Gorgeous. All right, let me get it folded up. It is serged all the way around, and yes, it is full coverage. Get it kind of straightened out so you can see what's going on. It's 110 stitches by 110 stitches, but very nicely printed. Nice big key, but you also have your key on your paper pattern as well for the canvas. But they're way bigger than the last one. And it's going to look like a blob until you get there and get the back stitching in. But very nicely printed though. You can see right here, like we're going to just run my finger across. All that's half cross stitch around that back. Can't really tell up here. Part of that is half cross stitch, like I said, to fill in, and then maybe the branches are full cross. So yeah, it'll be a little tricky up in there, but other than that, you're good. Okay, let's measure this one, and it's 27.5 centimeters, or 10 3/4 inches, by 27 centimeters, or 10 3/4 inches. All right, it's square. So this is 8 inches, or 20 centimeters, maybe a little over 8 inches by 20, a little under 8 inches and 20 centimeters. But yeah, it is full coverage, but it's not that big. It'd be something nice. You could just sit on your lap and stitch a section, because there are bigger sections in this. So very nice. And I can see the symbols for the half cross stitch throughout there. But the birds are definitely full cross stitch. So very nice. Thank you, GBFKE. I appreciate all these. They are gorgeous. Now, GBFKE does have cross stitch and diamond painting. They have tools and crafts for all of that. They usually have great prices, great sales, and a great selection. So do check them out. Thank you everyone for watching today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.